Thinking about starting a blog, AI tool site, or a faceless YouTube landing page? You'll need a reliable host that's fast, beginner-friendly, and doesn't cost a fortune. Today, I'm reviewing A2 hosting, after using it for X weeks, months. Is it still worth it in 2025? Let's find out. What is A2 hosting? A2 hosting is one of the most popular shared hosting providers known for its speed, uptime, and 24/7 support. They've been around since 2001, but in 2025, they've upgraded their game, especially for creators using AI tools and launching small businesses. What I like: pros, checkmark speed. Their turbo servers are 20x faster, great for SEO plus user experience. Checkmark free website migration. I moved my site in minutes. Checkmark built-in tools. You get one-click WordPress, AI plugin support, email hosting. Checkmark affordable. One of the cheapest fast hosting options starting around $2.99 per month. Checkmark green hosting 100% carbon neutral. What I didn't like: cons. Crossmark renewal prices are higher. Lock in the longest plan. You can Crossmark interface isn't as modern as some competitors, but honestly, for the value, these aren't deal breakers. Who it's best for? A2 hosting is perfect if you're starting a blog or digital product store, launching a Notion or Gumroad template landing page, running a faceless AI channel with a website, wanting a fast, stable place to host your personal brand. Final verdict. So, is A2 hosting worth it in 2025? Checkmark yes, if you want great performance without breaking your budget. If you're just starting out, this is one of the safest and smartest hosting choices out there. Check out A2 hosting here. Comment A2 review if you want a full tutorial on how to set it up.